Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can solve this question single number. If this question comes up in your interview, how you will solve very efficiently so that your interviewer will select you. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. And if you are preparing for your next interview, then I will suggest you go through the complete playlist which I have. I have all the questions which are asked in the top MNCs, and Leetcode and other best platform questions are here available. So go and watch it, okay? There are also multiple playlists which I have created. One is string playlist, array playlist, recursion playlist. You can go and watch it, okay? So let's start the video without wasting any time. Here you can see we have a question that is single number. Let me explain a bit about this question in a simpler way which you will understand. So in an interview, whenever any question is asked directly, if you know the answer of optimized solution, don't give that, okay? Because you should ideally give a answer which is not optimal, and with time you will optimize with explanation, okay? So how you will start this single number, let me explain. Here you can see we have an array that is 2 2 2. Like if you see it properly, every number are repeating two times except one number, so we have to give that number as the output. So if you think, basically in JavaScript we have a map kind of a structure, and in the map, if we can store the number and the count, then easily after storing all those, we can simply do iteration. Whichever number have count of 1, that will be our answer. This can be a solution. You can tell to the interviewer, but don't write the code, okay? At the time of telling, you also mention that it have a time complexity of 2 times, because one time we have to store and one time we again have to find out, okay, which have that one count, okay? So we have to do 2 times iterations, okay? And also we will be using a map structure, so space complexity of storing all those in the map will be big of n, okay? That also you say to their interviewer, and after that you tell. So we can use a logic of XOR to solve this one. What XOR does is, basically if the two numbers are same like 0 and 0, it will cancel both and make it as a 0. If both number are different, it will never cancel it. So let me give you a rough idea about this. If my array is this one, and if you see here, one is there, okay, and here is one is also there. So what it will do, one will cancel, okay, it will make it 0. And similarly, two are also two times, so it will also make it 0. Means it will basically cancel it. At the last we will have 4, so 4 will be returned. So if you want to use for loop, you can simply use for loop and simply do the solution. But as we are using JavaScript, there is a reduce method, okay? But if you are using any other programming language, you can simply use for loop for doing this operation. It's very easy, okay? So we will be using our reduce method that is present in the JavaScript. This is a nums is an array, and I can simply write nums dot reduce, and reduce will take what, two things. One is the accumulator, next is the number, and initial value of the reducer is 0, okay? So what we will be doing every time, we will be just changing the accumulator, means we will be doing XOR of this number. Every time we will be doing whatever the accumulator is, just do XOR with it. Means first time in this, if I give you an example of 22221, so at the time 0 will be there, okay, because initial value is 0. We are doing XOR of 2, then again we are doing XOR of 2, then again we are doing 1. So what will happen, this will be completely cancelled, okay, and at last 1 is left, so we will be returning the 1, okay? So if I run it and show you, so you can see it passes 3 test cases. So let me submit it. So you can see our solution beats 100%, and it also passed 61 test cases, okay? If you like my approach, then please like the video, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and go through the complete playlist, okay? Go through it. If you have any doubt, just write it, I'll surely reply. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.